If you want to learn how to play back audio in Audacity, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the main playback controls so you can play, pause, stop, loop, and jump around your audio with confidence. Whether you're editing a podcast, music, voiceover, or any other recording, knowing these controls will make your workflow much smoother. And if this video helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more easy Audacity tutorials. Let's start with the most basic option, standard play and stop. At the top left of the Audacity window, look for the Transport toolbar. You'll see a green play button there. Click that green button to start playback. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can simply press the spacebar to start playing your audio. That's one of the fastest ways to preview your project. When you're ready to stop, click the black square stop button in the same toolbar. You can also press the spacebar again to stop playback. This makes it really easy to switch between listening and stopping without moving your mouse every time. It's a simple feature, but it's one of the most useful things to learn first. Now let's talk about pausing and resuming. Sometimes you don't want to fully stop the audio, especially if you're trying to keep your place while listening carefully. In that case, use the blue pause button, which looks like two vertical bars. Click that button to pause playback while keeping your position in the audio. You can also press the letter P on your keyboard to pause. When you're ready to continue from the exact same spot, click pause again or press P again to resume. This is great when you need to take notes, compare sections, or inspect a specific part of your recording without losing your place. Next, let's go over how to play from a specific point in your audio. This is very helpful when you want to check one exact section instead of listening from the beginning. First, move your mouse over the waveform in any track. Then click once with the left mouse button to place the vertical cursor line where you want playback to begin. Once the cursor is in the right spot, press the spacebar to start playback from that exact location. This is one of the easiest ways to jump directly into the part you want to hear. Now, if you want to repeat a section over and over, Audacity makes that possible too. This is called looping. To do this, click and drag across the waveform to highlight the section you want to loop. Once the area is selected, click the loop button in the toolbar. It looks like a circular arrow. After that, press the spacebar, and Audacity will keep playing the highlighted section repeatedly until you stop it. Looping is especially useful when you're editing music, checking timing, or fine-tuning a voice recording and need to hear the same section multiple times. Another really handy feature is skipping to the start or end of your project. If you want to go back to the beginning, click the Skip to Start button, which looks like a backwards arrow with a line. That moves the cursor right to the start of the track. If you want to jump all the way to the end, click the Skip to the End button, which looks like a forwards arrow with a line. These shortcuts save time and make navigation much easier, especially in longer projects. So to recap, in Audacity, you can press the spacebar or click play to start, press spacebar again or click stop to stop, use the pause button or P to pause and resume, click directly on the waveform to play from a specific point, highlight a section and use loop to repeat it, and use the skip buttons to jump to the start or end. Once you get used to these playback controls, editing in Audacity becomes much faster and much easier. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Audacity guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.